This is Shi Zhe Ting, recording for lesson 0. First we're going to create the folder lesson 0. So we're going to type in flutter, create --org, followed by the email address backwards, and the folder name. We press enter. Alright, and then we're going to go into the folder itself to see the folders here. And we're going to open it up here. So we're going to type in flutter emulator. Flutter emulators launch. Name of it is API 28. Okay, this is where it is. Flutter. Okay, as you can see, we can now press the button. Next, we're gonna go change the text over here to I. Press R, changes over here is I. And continue to press this, and that's it.